Greetings, and welcome to the Small Lab Animal Unit training on the Prime Animal Purchase module. Before we begin, ensure that your browser is directed to the Prime website. Be sure to log in using your OHSU network ID and password. If you are a first-time Prime user, you may need to, quote, accept the account in order to move forward. We're now at the Prime main menu. You can see that I am logged in. You want to scroll down to the SLA button in order to get to the purchase module, or using the sections tool at the upper left, you can scroll down to the SLA and then to the purchase icon. This brings you to the SLA purchase order dashboard where you create a purchase order. You can do this one of two ways. Clicking on Create Purchase Order and completing the fields is going to be the first method that we focus. At the IACUC protocol, select your username. I'm going to be using Martin. And you can see that I selected species mice. It is important to ensure that you are selecting the correct species and animal group if you have multiples. Requester name has been automatically generated. The vendors are also submitted in a list format. Choose the one appropriate for your animals. I will be using Taconic Farms. Be sure that if you're using biological or chemical agents to include that information. You want to add a new row, select your species, your gender, and then input your strain and stock number. Add their requested age on arrival and the housing location appropriate for your animals. Using the calendar, find your requested arrival date. Remember, most deliveries happen on Wednesday, only Jackson is on Tuesday. Type in the number of animals you would like purchased and any special instructions. Once all of that information is submitted, double check, ensure you haven't missed any fields, and then click on the Submit button in the lower left-hand corner. It will populate a Please Review, Please in fact review, and then press Yes if everything is correct. Here's your confirmation information. Review that, and once you are done, you can either print this or you can click Done, and it will take you back to the main purchase module dashboard. Your second option is looking at the authorized SLA projects for your specific approvals. Here I have several. The nice thing about this, it tells you the number of animals you are allowed, the number of animals you have used to date, the start date of your project, and the end date of your project. If you'd like to use this, click on the small little tick box to the left of the IACUC project number and then click Create Purchase Order. This automatically submits the protocol information. You will then select your vendor. Again, add your row, fill in your species, your gender, your strain information, the age of the animals that you would like to have on arrival, and their housing location. Complete the requested arrival date and the number of animals you would like ordered. If there are any special instructions, fill in that field. Scroll down to the bottom, looking for the Submit button on the lower left-hand side, Review your information, and if it is correct, click Yes. This will again bring you up to a confirmation. Double check that information. You can either print this or click Done to return to the dashboard. If you'd like to ensure that your order is in the system, click on the pending orders and you can verify your order right there. That is the information that you need to prepare your animal orders. If you have any questions, you are welcome to reach out to any member of the SLAW team and we can help you out.